Good day, everybody. If you're looking for a means of earning money with that your dormant Google AdSense account, don't worry, you're on the right channel. All right. So let me log into the dashboard and show you guys what we have done so far on this account. For those of you that have already been on this channel for a while, you notice that this account is an account I have recently dropped updates on. Okay. So let me show you guys what we received on this particular AdSense account. Okay. So right on the screen, you can see this is my live AdSense dashboard, and you can even tell on the account that we have loaded huge amount of money on this account this particular month. Okay, over here you can see from the last payment, you can see we loaded roughly like $5,000. Let me reload this so you guys will know this is not edited or screenshots. This is a live AdSense dashboard. Okay, you can see the last payment here. I'll still show you guys the payments of this account, and from here you can see this month what we have generated here, and today so far you can see today so far, just today, this is just in the morning, and we have loaded roughly like $200, and you can see the amount of traffic. This site has organic traffic too. Okay, so this traffic is natural and mixed with arbitrage and also loading. Let me show you guys the payment proof so you guys will see for yourself that this account received payments on the 21st of this month. Okay, so over here you can see it here. On May 21st, we received payments, and you can see this account have received previous payments in the past. It's a good account. It received normal payments through organic, but most of these are loading too. Actually, those previous ones are loading. So let me show you guys. Let me reload this one more time. Okay, to know if there's any updates. And there's also one account I'm going to show you guys. Also one account that received $16,000. There are many accounts I worked on, but I'll just show you guys these two accounts today. I'll show you that one other account that I worked on with this particular loading strategy. This strategy is effective. It works on any AdSense account, provided the AdSense account has little organic traffic coming in. Okay, so let me come over here to the account. I'll show you guys what we have generated from that account this month. Okay, let me log into the dashboard. All right, so you can see over here, you can see on the right screen, you can see this is the AdSense dashboard. Let me reload this so you guys will know this is not edited. This is the live dashboard. Okay, so you can see it over here. You can see that on this account we received like $16,000 from this particular AdSense account this month. And you can see what we have generated so far on this month. Even today so far, everything is going smoothly and accurately. This is an effective method that works on any AdSense account, but it has a little bit of risks if your account doesn't have a little bit of organic traffic. If you have a little bit of organic traffic, even if it's like 50, this method will work perfectly on your account. But any account that have any organic traffic coming in, you might come up with ad limits at some point, but we have a way to handle ad limits, which ad limit is not a problem. We'll find a way to remove it, but you will be having ad limits consistently. That's one problem, and you also face a lot of deduction. But if you have a little bit of organic traffic plus this method, this arbitrage and loading, I bet you your earnings is going to be marvelous. You'll be receiving huge amount of money like this. Okay, let me reload this one more time before. Let me know whether there's any updates so far on the account. Okay, so if you want to learn this method, click on the description box below. You see my contact info. You can reach out to me.